My name is Sarah Khan. I am the Associate Professor of IT and Analytics at PCOM. I joined the book back in the spring of 2017, where since then I'm teaching two primary courses. I'm responsible for our core IT course, which is Business Information Systems. So most of you will end up taking my class at some point. And I also teach one of the IT concentration course, which is about systems analysis and design. Why should you consider IT concentration as a business student? That's a really good question, and I've been asked this question several times. And over the period of time, I have been able to summarize my answer to any potential interested student. First and foremost thing, you must realize IT is everywhere. So being in IT concentration, the skill set you develop kind of makes you independent of any industry you would like to join, because you will be needed in almost every industry, and since businesses rely on IT. My second reason that I give to the students is, and it's based on the facts, IT has been, at least for the past 4 years that I know of, has been the highest paid concentration at PCOM. Not only that, it is also the median pay for a graduate has been higher than most of the engineering graduates that graduate from NC State. So from economic perspective, that makes a good sense. Now, if you have a hankering of IT, it makes sense to you, and if you're interested in it, IT jobs that are opening up in the economy nowadays, since there have been a lot of changes, they are one of the most flexible jobs in the market. So you actually can have plans in your life, and you don't have to concentrate on your job 100% in order to enjoy your life while making a good living with this skill set. So what kind of issues IT students seek to solve, or challenges they address while they are learning about IT in IT concentration? Well, if we start listing the challenges and the issues that they go after or learn to solve, it's going to take up a lot of time. So to summarize it, if I have to put it in the fewest words, basically, all in all, in IT concentration, we are trying to figure out how to solve various kinds of business problems using cutting-edge technology. Now, it might seem like a very simple answer, but there's a lot more to it. Because when we are trying to understand business problems and we're trying to solve it by exploring existing and cutting-edge technologies, the solution can come in any shape. For example, the problem can be seeking to be addressed in a way that we can utilize existing technology, use existing technology to find a solution. For example, every business nowadays relies on predicting what's going to happen tomorrow. It can be a stock price, it can be their sales, or it can be anything. So in order to answer that question, there are several tools that are utilized to answer these specific questions. And the other end of spectrum to solve business problems is how to build technology that would address business problems. And in order to do that, there is another specific set of skills that students develop in this concentration that allow them to actually understand the business problems and also how to take it along in a systematic way that will end up in a solution that is going to help businesses solve their problems. So all in all, the IT concentration courses that are offered at PCOM allow students to explore their interests. They're exposed to various types of solutions, IT solutions that are out there, how to build them, how to use them, how to actually apply them to solve the current business problems that are in the market. And it also allows students to actually figure out what they would really like to do in their IT careers.
My name is Sherry Fowler, and I am a professor of the practice in the area of IT and analytics at NC State. I also direct the undergraduate business analytics honors program. I've taught classes in IT and analytics at NC State for the last 12 years. Before that, I worked as an IT consultant and practitioner in industry. I've been a software developer, systems analyst, and project lead. I primarily teach software development, database management, and business analytics courses. In the software development course, we use Visual Studio.net and the C# language to design, develop, and test apps. In the database management course, we design and develop relational databases and use structured query language, or SQL, to manipulate and extract the data. In the predictive analytics for business course, we learn how to create meaning and make decisions from data. We create visualizations and dashboards, employ descriptive statistics, and use predictive and prescriptive analytics. For those of you considering your concentration, it is a great time to be in IT. With a business administration major and an IT concentration, you could choose from a wide variety of career roles. These include systems analyst, database designer, software developer, software tester, project manager, UX designer, cybersecurity analyst, or data analyst, just to name a few. You may be wondering what strengths, skills, or interests are key for a student in this concentration. Well, do you like to problem solve? Do you have strengths or an interest in quantitative skills? Do you like to work with tech? Can you embrace change? These are all good signs that you would enjoy a concentration in IT.
Hi, everyone. My name is Julie Earp, and I'm one of the IT faculty here in Poole College. I've been a professor at NC State for over 20 years, and I'm currently teaching our undergraduate networking and graduate security classes. Security is a big part of networking, and that's where my research is focused. So pretty much everything I do revolves around security and privacy. Now, with regard to the IT concentration classes, I teach Business 441, which is our networking class. Much of what you do on your computer or on your phone relies on networking or accessing the internet. In Business 441, you'll learn all the nitty-gritty details about how your device connects to the internet and how you're able to do things like visit websites, stream Netflix, play online games, do online shopping, email, texting, and so on. Now, by understanding all the underlying technology, you'll be a much better user of technology in general. You'll also be more equipped to support an organization's need to send and receive data through a network. Business 441 is also where you'll learn all the details behind wireless networking and how hackers break in and compromise systems. What else should a student considering the IT concentration know? Interested students frequently ask how the IT concentration differs from a degree, say, in computer science. We have a great computer science program at NC State, but the focus over there is on coding and software development. Now, a lot of those students become software engineers and developers. Students with the IT concentration, on the other hand, they learn how to code, but they have a business focus. They do a lot more with IT, technology, and data. They know how to work with various technologies and systems to support business needs. And through your other classes in Poole, you'll have a thorough understanding of the various aspects of business. The IT concentration, it gives you a lot of technical skills to go along with that. And this is a really important combination in industry because we're always in need of people that understand both sides, people that understand how a business works and also understand how the technology works and can be used to support the business and its strategy. Our IT graduates frequently end up working as systems analysts, technology consultants, business analysts, database managers, software developers, and things like that. What about the future of IT? Job opportunities in IT have seen high growth over the years, and it's expected to continue growing. The Bureau of Labor Statistics predicts IT jobs to grow much faster over the next 10 years than the average for all occupations. And if you think about it, it makes sense. All businesses rely on technology, and that reliance continues to grow. IT supports all organizations: healthcare, banking, manufacturing, education, government. It also supports all aspects of business: finance, marketing, HR, supply chain, data analytics, and more. So not only is the IT concentration valuable on its own, but it also pairs real nicely with other concentrations and with the data analytics program offered here in Poole.